Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you how I turn my little space into this little studio using my Neewer Lighting Kit off of Amazon. Hey YouTube, it's Jazz and today I'm going to be recording a little vlog for you guys. So I'm setting up a little studio in my extra space because Miss Corona has caused my graduation to be canceled. We sad about it, but we're gonna keep it pushing. So I decided, so if I won't get my little ceremony, then at least I can take my own photos for graduation. So I'm just gonna set my stuff up and yeah, I'm gonna take y'all along with me so you can see how it goes. In order to take my pictures, I bought some equipment. I've had this sitting boxed up for like a month and I haven't set it up, but I finally decided to set it up. And I'm gonna show you guys what I did to set up all of this stuff, and we're just gonna go through the motions because I know y'all are bored, so just be bored with me. So this is how it got delivered to my house, and inside the package is 2 carrying cases full of things. This is what it looks like. Everything is nicely organized in boxes, and I really like the carrying cases. It looks like it'll be super easy to set up and break down in like no time. I'm gonna be using this black background because I don't want to start with the white just yet.
Boy, I'm about to fry you up. The lighting looks good though. Let me see. Take a little test shot. Put your head down.
All right, let me relax. All right, let me be on with the lighting. I'm a savage. Thanks for tuning into this little vlog, and we will have more to come because I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored with this quarantine stuff going on. So best believe I'm going to be recording more content while I have all this free time, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Yeah.